So, hello everyone. Before that, I am Chami Bukana. So, I have a 10 flip cards or flashcard. So, gipahimo mi ni Sir Ani to para itry na mo og answer kung na ba jud mi natun-an. So, let's start. So, first is, what are the typical phases of waterfall model? The typical phases of waterfall model, first is requirements analysis, system design, implementation, integration and testing, deployment, and maintenance. Okay, let's see if sakto ba. Hey, da-da! So, first requirements analysis, system design, implementation, integration and testing, deployment, and maintenance. Correct. So, correct diri, correct. So, next question. What are the key agile methodologies? So, the key agile methodologies are, first is Scrum, Kanban, um, Kanban, extreme programming or XP. Ting 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 ting. Correct. Diha ka. Ta. So, let's proceed. The number, pila na ba? 3. And which model is more suitable for small to medium size evolving project? So, natay duha ka model, agile and waterfall. Suitable for small, medium. Agile model. So, ding, here. Correct. So, nanatay 1, 2, 3. 3 correct. And next question. Which model follows a sequential and structure approach? Yes, kung na'y agile, syempre, waterfall. Bro. And next question. What are the strengths of the agile model? Nalimot ko. Wala ko kasali dire. So, mali ta girl. Mali. So, diri ang tama, diri ang mali. Pakita na kong answer ha. Ara. Number 1, flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, early bug detection, and better risk management. Okay. Ugma na pud na. So, next question. So, the blank is a linear and sequential software development approach where each phase must be completed before the next phase begins. So, the answer is waterfall model. Correct. Syempre, sequential software development. So, next question. Let's proceed. What are the strengths of the waterfall model? What are the strengths of waterfall model? Strengths. Nalimot ko, girl. Mali. Nalimot ko. So, ano yung answer? Clear structure, predictability, good for large project, and easier to manage. Nalimot ko. So next question. Napatay 3 question. Nabilin. So the blank is an iterative and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. So, and the answer is Agile model. Agile model. Correct. Ang mga correct atong mga gagming answer. Next question. So, let's proceed. So, what are the weaknesses of the waterfall model? What are the weaknesses? So, the weaknesses of the agile model. Sakto ba? Weaknesses of agile. Waterfall model. Waterfall model. Inflexibility, slow adaptation to change, late testing, then not I don't know, nalimot ko, girl. Nara? The answer is nara. Inflexibility, slow adaptation to changes, late testing, not ideal for uncertain requirements. Limot ko. Naku, mali. So, last question. What are the weaknesses of the agile model? So, the weaknesses of agile model is requirements close. Limot ko, girl. Ayoko lang. Palong na po siya. Requirements close collaborating, difficult to predict, and time. So, next is not ideal for large scale. And the last is dependency on skilled teams. So, ato siyang lantawon kung correct ba. Charan! Gumero lagi ito ko na yun. Requirements close collaboration. Check. Difficult to predict cost and time. Check. Not ideal for large scale. So, kulang taog project without clear structure. Wala na to siya na sunod. So, mali. So, mauni ang akong tama. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, maura niya akong natama. Ang mali na ko is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, mag-video na punta ugma. Then, studyhan na to ni siya para ma-correct answer na nato siya. Yes! Bye-bye!